Perception really can be everything. Ryan Holiday states that the body follows the mind. So if we can change our thought process into a more positive thinking, we can really create better responses to situations, actions, and live a much more positive life. Last night in the middle of the night, Erica called me in as she was feeding to change Dylan's diaper. And at first I was in a deep sleep and I thought to myself, I don't really want to do this. I have to go change his diaper right now. But in reality, I don't have to do it. I get to do it. So I want you guys to try one thing today, just one. Every time you say you have to do something, I want you to change that into an I get to do something. I didn't have to go change his diaper last night. I got to. I have the ability to do so, and I have to think about that I get to do that. I can stand up, I can walk over there and change our healthy 2-week-old baby's diaper. I get to do that, and that's an amazing thing when I change that mindset from having to do something to getting to do it. You don't have to cook dinner tonight. You get to cook dinner tonight. You don't have to work out. You get to work out. You don't have to work from home. You get to. We also live in an amazing time of technology in which we get to communicate so easily with each other while in this self-isolated state. We have FaceTime, we have social media, we have Zoom meetings. We get to stay in touch even though we are in our houses by ourselves. And that is such an amazing thing that we get to do. So try that one thing today. Change everything that you have to do into something that you get to do, and see how that relates to your life, your positivity, your mindset, and your actions. You don't have to do this. You get to do this.